Hi guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be playing Dog Toy Hospital, and I have to get started real quick here because I actually have a little visitor who is very interested in her toys. So the first one we're going to do has a working squeaker in it. It is this lovely, got this from Dollar Tree, one of Kelly's favorite toys. It is just a dog bone. It has a squeaker in it and also has crinkle in it. So, there's the repair. The squeaker still works.
Do you want a toy? That is a happy puppy.
So let's continue. What do we have next? So we have same kind of bone toy. I bet you can hear the squeaking. This one also has a hole. This one's also missing a squeaker, and it's a little flaccid. So I had ordered dog squeakers from Amazon. But I have a very smart dog, and she has figured out that you can kind of pop out the squeakers. And then she loves to chew this. And then the squeaker breaks, it doesn't make the noise anymore. So she gets upset and tears it apart. So what I've learned to do, and I learned this from a suggestion from someone who bought them, is just hot glued the tip of them. Just they last a little bit longer, not a whole lot longer, but they last long enough that Kelly can destroy them in a couple days instead of same day. Pop that. I love the happy doggo noises in the background. And also some polyfill to just kind of refloof this one. The happiness a squeaker makes. Good as new. Who is next to be fixed? Meet the sad pizza. Hi, Kelly. So Kelly has loved this time and time again. It doesn't have a squeaker in it. We've also stuffed it. I believe all the stuffing's in a bag. Waste not, why not? Keep your nose out of your victims. So we're gonna stuff it, we're gonna put a new squeaker in it. Maybe 2 squeakers. Sometimes I like to spoil her. And put multiple squeakers, so if one breaks, there's a backup. Do I have 2 that are glued? Yes, I do. So I like to try it because Kelly knows how to get this squeaker part out. It's her favorite thing. So I try to like stuff this in stuffing, like facing down, and it's just so that it's a little harder for her to get it. And he is repaired. He's nice and plump again.
Squeak! Squonk! Squeak, squonk!
Squeak squonk! We only have 2 left. This one is a beloved hedgehog. Very slobbery. I think we broke the squeaker in this one too. Yes. So we broke the squeaker in this one. It used to have crinkles in it. The crinkles are gone. Hello. How are you? Do you miss this one? Oh, you miss your hedgehog. This is what I'm looking at right now. Is a very concerned puppy asking, where's my favorite toys? Where's my, yeah, give, this is mine. That's mine. Please. Let me fix first. Do you want your pizza? When was the last time you saw your pizza? It's been a while. Oh, yeah. I put 2 squeakies in there. So there's one here. You don't want that one? No? What about another bone? Yeah, fix this one too. It's nice and fluffed. Has squeaky in it too. No, you just want your hedgehog. Okay, so Kelly's gonna be supervising and we're gonna repair the hedgehog. Oh, okay, no, we want that one. So on to the hedgehog. Poor hedgehog too is missing eyeballs. Do I have a bag of buttons? He's missing some eyeballs. We're gonna see if we can find some buttons. I found a matching pair and they're blue. That seems nice. Okay. I'm gonna go with this pair. Just a kind of delicate, kind of indigo denim blue color. I like that. Did I sew it completely through the stuffing? Yes. Will that be an interesting anchoring point? I don't know. 1 eyeball. That's actually pretty stinking cute. So I have a very sulky puppy who has 2 toys and is still waiting for the other 2 because they're her favorite. Kelly, I'm sorry. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now we have some eyeballs on a very cute little hedgehog. Doesn't have a nose. Can't really fix the nose. We're gonna grab another squeak. Once again, the squeaker has been reinforced with hot glue. But there's a little hedgehog. Super cute. And now, we only have one left actually. So last one is also the newest one. So this is a little sloth that I've named Liam. Kelly likes him because he has these long limbs. They're very crusty with slobber right now. But he's a little light. I feel like he needs like a little weight to him. So I want to make like a little pouch to put in him. I also think he needs more stuffing. And put a squeaker in him. Because every dog toy needs squeaker. So I have some fabric here. I'm gonna cut, just gonna cut a little square out. Creepy teddy bears. So what I want to do is make a little pouch to put some rice in. Honey. Okay, so now I have the little pouch complete. I'm gonna add some rice in there just to give this toy a little bit of weight. I'm putting it in a bag because I know eventually this will get chewed through and I don't want rice spilling everywhere. So this is my reason for that. I almost kind of want to start putting the dog squeakers in little pouches. Goodbye. Because I don't really trust Kelly. I just want another mode of defense in Kelly playing with toys and stuff. Okay, so we have our little weighed down little sock beanbag holder. I don't know what you want to call it. Which I really hope this works out. He's really hard to throw. I keep trying to throw him. When I bought him, she just fell in love with how much fun he was. I throw him and he just doesn't have the weight to actually cascade. So, tiny little beanbag to go in him. Let's do some stuffing extraction. Okay, the transplant was complete. I guess we should alert the family.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Who's this? Yeah? Come on, sit. That is happiness in a pupper right there.
utter happiness. Pizza time. Do you want pizza? And our other repair, the Hedgehog. We'll see if the Hedgehog is better than Liam there. Nope. Liam is premier. That's just me repairing some of my dog's toys. Something that I do quite on a regular basis, and I thought it'd be fun to film. Thanks. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Tell me the best part of your day in the comments. If it's watching this little one play with toys, which is my favorite part of the day. If it was going on a walk, if it was standing in the sun for 5 minutes, just leave the best part of your day in the comments. And maybe I'll do another one of these when they inevitably get destroyed. Oh, she's found the squeaker already. Oh no. Liam, I wish you well, my dude.